Hello and welcome back to my channel. And here it is, the newest DIY project. A mini digital power supply, homemade bench power supply that can handle with maximum of 4 amps and adjustable voltage from 0 to 18 volts, and total cost for making is $12. Let's start the project and which parts you need for making. Very important is to find a free notebook power adapter that gives 19.5 volts. Usually, most of the laptop power adapters are with rating of 16.5 watts and 19 volts. Go find it in your garage or ask someone to give it you. Basically, it's easy to find and save some money and make this project even cheaper. Next, beside the power adapter, you need the main electronic board, which is this brand new DC to DC converter that I buy it from online, and you can find it for around $10 from eBay or AliExpress. It's one of the cheapest digital power supply units. This model of converter can handle with output voltage from 0 up to 30 volts, and input voltage to work this device is from 5 volts to 30 volts. So far we have the active electronic parts for making the bench power supply. Next you need to find or to make it is the case for today's project. I'm using electric box for electric automatic fuses. And this plastic case is perfect fit for my DC converter and power adapter. Positive and negative banana power connectors for output voltage that will be placed at front of the case. Also, you will need 2 short wires to connect the DC converter with the power connectors, metal screws, and 1 zip tie to fix the power adapter. Now I have all parts to start the assembly of homemade mini digital bench power supply. And must tell you that the wiring is very simple. The power adapter gives 19 volts with 2 wires, positive and negative. Connect those wires to the DC converter input voltage. And from here, short wires, positive and negative, goes to the output voltage banana terminals, and that's it. The homemade bench power supply, digital power supply, is finished. And as you can see, it's working. I have a negative output terminal, positive terminal output voltage. Here it is the DC-DC converter with adjustable voltage and current from 0 up to 18 volts, because the adapter is giving 19 volts, that is the maximum voltage. If you use a bigger voltage like 30 volts, you can adjust the voltage up to 30 volts, but in this case I'm using 19 volts and the maximum output voltage is around 18 volts. Here I have prepared alligator clips to make some tests and measurement. I'm gonna use ordinary bulb. By pressing voltage or ampere button, you can change the voltage. You can set maximum amps or current limit. Here it is the amps. Let's turn it on, turn it off, turn it on, working. Great. That was all for today's video, which was a simple way to make a homemade bench power supply. Thank you for watching. See you next time.